Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Trade with me. First of all, I just want to apologize. It's been a while. I made a video. So I thought it very important, thought it wise to make this video for you guys. Okay, as you can see, this is a live market, and I want you to learn something from this trade today. By the way, welcome to Trade with me. If you're joining us for the first time, if this is your first time of coming to this channel, I really appreciate you, and I believe you're going to learn one or two value from this video. And if you do find any value, please hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps out. And I want to shout out to all my subscribers. We are 800 subscribers now, and I just hope we keep growing. So before I quickly go into the analysis of this video on this trade on gold, okay, today is Tuesday, the 25th day, okay, of August, 25th day of August 2026. Now, how did I catch this trade? But before we go into the analysis of this trade, I want to make something clear. For you to be profitable in the forex markets, whether crypto, okay, metals, indices, name them, you have to be very, very, very patient. Okay, I'm going to delete all these drawings here. I'm going to delete everything, and I'm going to show you how this trade came to play. And I must be sincere with you. Must be very, very sincere with you. Without patience, it will be difficult for you to cash trades like this. You have to be very, very patient, okay, to do this. Now, quickly, let's go into this analysis, and I'm going to show you what I mean by being patient. Now, I'll delete all these. I'll delete all these. I'll actually put them back. So we'll take this from scratch. You see how come I drew these lines, okay? How come I drew these lines? So we're going to explain all that in the video. As you can see, gold is bearish for now in a short term, okay? Long term, gold is bullish. It's bullish. As you can see, we are creating higher highs, okay? It's bullish, but for a short term, we saw this drop. And what resulted in this drop? If you go to excuse me, if you go to the daily time frame, you see that it's reacting from a daily fair value gap. As you can see, an FVG here. Okay, I'm going to draw that FVG so that you see we have a tiny FVG here. Okay, and a small order block. You see that gold is reacting from this level, and we took the previous day high. Okay, we took the previous day high. As you can see, we took this previous day high. So I dropped to the 1 hour time frame, okay, to see the shift. Before we take a trade, we must see the shift. Okay, as you can see, this is a fair value, the line of the fair value gap, and this is the shift. Okay, we observe a shift here. Okay, we observe a shift here. Okay, we observe a shift here, and just above that shift, you can see a nice 1 hour fair value gap. So I waited for price to trade into that fair value gap, and as you can see, price did. So I'll delete this. I have an indicator that marks the fair value gap. Okay, there's an indicator here, FVG, IFVG. So you have several of them on trading view. Okay, so go to your indicator and look for. So I saw this CRT, this one CRT in the fair value gap, and I saw it drop. Okay, as you can see this CRT clearly, and we saw the drop. So I dropped down to the 15 minutes time frame. And as soon as I drop down to the 15 minutes time frame, take note of this. You're going to learn something today. You see this red candle? I saw this 15 minutes shift here. I saw this 15 minutes shift. Now the question is, where is my order block? Where am I going to enter the trade from? As soon as I saw that shift, the question is, where am I going to enter the trade? So this is the shift. I'll mark it again. So take note of this. Yeah, that's the shift downward. And this is my target. Okay. Remember, how did we choose the target? So our trade just hits take profit. Trade just hit take profit. As you can see, this is a live market. Please take note of this. Is a live market. So I chose this target. I chose this low. This 1 hour low. Please. Sorry. This was the target I chose. Okay. As soon as I saw that 1 hour shift and I saw the fair value gap, I put my target at this low. So going back to the 15 minutes, we saw a shift. So where is our order block here? This is where I actually placed my trade. You see the order block here. Look at this order block. This nice bullish candle. You can take that. But where I chose, that's one. But where I chose this break. Okay, some people call it the QMR. Okay, some people call it the QMR. You can either choose this or choose this other block. It's good. Now see what market did. Now this is the patience I'm talking about. So you put your position to there, your sell, the sell, your stop loss above, and your target. This is about 3.8 hour trade. Now look, market came. You see, market came. Close, I'll draw this. Got close to the order. Okay, got close to the order block. And it reversed. Some persons, as you can see, you see this long wick, it reversed. And some persons will not wait. They will quickly want to chase after the market. Sometimes it will get to your POI, it will not tag your POI. There is no problem. You wait for another opportunity. Okay? As far as it has not broken below this low. I waited, right? And of course, look at what happened. He came back, tagged us in, and straight away, it's like a sniper. Straight away, voila, down to, and it's still dropping, as you can see, from that daily fair value gap. We saw the 1 hour shift, and we saw a 1 hour fair value gap, and we saw a 1 hour CRT, we saw a 15 minutes shift, and from that 15 minutes, we found our POI. You must look for a point of interest, either this or the other block. As soon as it tagged us in less than 1, 2, 3, 4, in less than 1 hour 30 minutes, this is a serious drop. As you can see, it's still dropping. This is a live market. If you notice at the beginning of this recording, you see that it wasn't up to our target yet. But as at now, we are way below our target. So this is how I was able to catch this trade. If you leverage $100, you should be $300 to $400 up on this trade. So in any trade, this is just a simple example. You must wait. Okay, waiting is important. Patience is important. If you had pursued or FOMOed into this trade at this first week, because this became a liquidity for price to take and drop. If you had FOMOed into this trade, you would have been caught halfway and maybe lost a trade. Okay, so patience is very important for you to last in the market and for you to enter in a very good position. You must be patient. So thank you very much. If you learned any value from this video, please like and share and subscribe to this channel. And I will see you in the next video. So shout out to all of you, my subscribers. I love you so much. Bye bye for now.